Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 9 of the Advent of Code video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem and stuff like part 1, part 2, what's giving you trouble. Alright, without further, I'm in Shenzhen here in Kaohsiung in Taiwan. So yeah, just enjoying the beach, enjoying the sunset. Okay, a little bit after sunset now. And yeah, and hope you're enjoying the poem and hope you're enjoying me struggling in the poem. Oh well, let's get started, shall we? Yeah, hey everybody, this is Larry, still in Kaohsiung. And yeah, let's get started. Not much of an introduction to today's poem. It's the weekend. I hope it's not too difficult because right now it's 9:30 p.m. here. And the lead code contest is in an hour, so we have to figure out how the time balances out. I have to wake up really early tomorrow. So without further ado, let's go. Let me know in the comments if you have a question about this one or previous poems, everything in between, and we'll go over it either on video or whatever. All right, am I ready? All right, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Different. Okay. Okay, so all right, okay, I get the idea. Okay, fine. What is this input? All right, so four line in inputs. Sum, right? Total is equal to 0. Also, ice cream truck is like outside or something. It's very annoying. Fine, so okay, now I'm just gonna go this right, and then now what? Okay. Difference. Okay. Delta is equal to that delta of nums, maybe. Let's see. I mean, I know I want to do it, but it's gonna be recursion, but I'll maybe get next delta of nums, and then we just return nums the biggest number. I think I could have just actually do a simulation like they tell you, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I think I'm making it too complicated. Okay, so get the next delta. Okay, so delta is equal to for xy in the step of nums. Delta start append y minus x, right? Okay. Get next delta of deltas. So d is equal to this, and then we return d, right? Okay, so then now if length of nums is equal to or if sum of nums is equal to 0, then we return 0. That sounds right. And then the previous one then d is equal to this, if d is equal to 0, then we return the last number, right? If not, then we return d, right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. X1, new mistake, not even typing the right thing. 87, nope. 18, 20, 247 is not right. Why is it 47? This is very sad. Okay, fine. Okay. Deltas and x delta is 0. If it's 0, then we return 3, right? And then we return. Get next delta. I should just simulate. I think I tried to be too clever. Last number is 3, that's right. Number is 1. No. That's the delta on the delta. So what am I doing? So this is d deltas -1 plus d. Okay, 114. Okay, I'm gonna print out a bunch of stuff. That's okay. Maybe a little bit too much, but okay. Split. Let's go. With 0, then the okay. Let's see. Did I use part 1? I mean, this should be not hard in theory. Okay, so then it's going to be if it's going to be the first element, otherwise the first element plus minus d or d. The first element with the delta. So first element minus d, right? First element with 2. I don't know if this is right, but let's YOLO it. All right. Split it. How did I do it compared to people? That wasn't that bad. I feel like I wasn't that fast, but yeah, people are really fast. Part 1, I was too slow. Part 2, I was also too slow to make the leaderboard. I mean, I had a fast part 2, but I think I just complicated. I mean, I definitely complicated things a little bit. I wonder if I could have done it a little bit faster on part 2. Part 2, I don't think I could have been that much faster. I mean, like maybe 10 seconds. I mean, I only spent a minute and 20 on it, right? So like maybe I could have saved 10 seconds, but I was a little bit more YOLO. Part 1, could I have, like, I mean, I think the question is whether I could have been, I mean, I could have been faster for sure. Can I be faster in a way that makes part 2 the same, right? Like, can I still, probably. I didn't think I was super fast, but I didn't think I was this slow, so I don't know. It feels a little bit off. What was it? 4:02? I was a minute 40 off. That's quite a bit actually, but I did debug some. Well, that's a minor debug, but that's for this problem. That's enough, right? Like you get a minor debug on the simulation part for part 1, and that's already like, you know, you have to debug. It takes a minute. That's already, you know. I mean, I'm only a minute 47 off the a minute 40 off the leaderboard on the first part, and a minute 20 on the second, right? So if I took a minute to debug, you know, that's what it is. And I did spend a minute to debug. Why did I do that? Oh, because I returned D instead of the last number plus D. So actually, I didn't even need this. I think I just misunderstood it a little bit. So it's not even like a, like I don't have anyone to blame for that one. It is just legitimate, yeah. And calc, I don't even need to do that. It's actually just get next, oops. Get next delta nums plus nums sub -1 and of scan numbers, I guess. Right, and if I had, I think that's the only thing that I kind of like. This abstraction wasn't that necessary. Oh, line. Oops. But I think I was just a little confused. Oh, I guess I need a little bit. If you want to be a little bit, right. I think this is actually wrong. Whoops. I probably made some silly change somewhere. Oh, line. This is not the last element. This is just the last whatever. Okay, fine. So maybe that, I wouldn't say that abstraction isn't necessary, but maybe it made it a little bit easier. Right. So if I win this, I don't think I could have done that much faster, to be honest. Other than the understanding a little bit, I think I just got a little bit. I think I just rushed it a little bit, honestly. In that my get next delta wasn't really, like, I was returning the delta. But what I actually want is the next value. So the naming of the stuff was a little bit wrong, right? And it's a little bit imprecise. And the imprecision cost me a little bit of understanding. And that little bit of understanding cost me debug time, which is just enough for me to not make the leaderboard. And then, yeah, we gotta do part 1 is exactly the same, right? And then minus D. And that's pretty much really it. I mean, this really, it is as fast. I think I was just still trying to understand the problem for part 2 and whether there is like I don't know, to be honest, just anything tricky about it. And I think I even said it, right? Like, I was a little bit YOLO because I don't think I fully understand part 2, but I was just hoping that it is what I thought it is. And I did pretty fast. I did pretty okay, but you know. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. I mean, didn't make the leaderboard. Even on the fake leaderboard, but I think I did pretty okay. I mean, yeah, maybe I could be a little bit more prepared, but that's besides the point. That's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Let me actually pull the code up real quick. I don't think there's anything that hard, or rather, I don't think there's anything for me to explain. Let me know if that's not true. I think the function kind of the function names actually are pretty good, except for maybe instead of get next, it's get previous, but you get the idea. Because I just kind of copy and paste and made modifications. Yeah. Oh well. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.